Hey guys, welcome to Eco Tips and Designs, where engineering meets creativity. From construction tips to DIY projects, let's build something great together. Stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will show you how to make this beautiful and simple DIY wall rack. Stay tuned. My wood into sections before joining them together. Shown on my plan view. I'll type my section 200 by 350. I'll hit enter. That's it. I've gotten one of my surfaces. I'll go back to my 3D view. I'll extrude this push pull. I'll push pull for 20 cm, and I'll make this a component. I'll call it 350 by 200 mm. Board. Because I can see I've made this component. How many do I need? I need 2 of these, so I will create another one. This time around I'll make it a square. Going to be 200 by 200 mm. Hit enter. And I'll click 3 times. Reason why I click 3 times, okay. Hey guys, you can pause for a moment and hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Thank you. Then I'll click 3 times and then make a component. I'll call this 200 by 200 mm board. Now I have these 2 together. It's time for me to create my my component is created. Initially, the other one is create, so you need to be sure your components are created. It's time for me to join them. So I'll take this. Rotate it. Hold my control key. Look at the point where I'm picking. Hold control to copy. Make a copy, place it directly on this. I'll do the same here. At this time around at the top. The way I'm placing them. And then I'll make a copy of this. This is it. box. From this, I'll right click. After make this a unique component. The reason why I'm doing that is because I don't want to start creating a new one. I can then increase my length for my wall. I'll make it, initially it was 350, so I'll add 250 to make it 600. 250. That's not making it 600. Click on this. Now I have this component here. Can rename it. Right, 600. Copy this. Place it directly on this. This again. This. Now I can call this a group. Highlight this. I'll make it a group. Now highlight this. Give it another group. Now I can put them. These are the materials I need for my rack. So what do I do now? Take this group. Place it here. See? Place it here. And then I'll copy this code. Okay. As you can see, it's not well placed, so I'll still move it. Okay, I'll move it down to this point. And you can see our wall rack is ready. See it? Now I have to assign materials. Okay. If you find this video interesting and helpful, hit the like and subscribe button to get more interesting videos like this. Share this video with your friends and check out my playlist, my DIY playlist, to see the step-by-step construction process to make this DIY wall rack for yourself. Bye!